Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share 6 very simple and basic hairstyles which you can do during festivals. Festive season is coming up, there's Raksha Bandhan, then all the festivals are starting. So you can definitely try some of these out. They are very simple. I didn't want to show complicated hairstyles because मैं खुद ही नहीं करती कभी. So they are very easy to follow. So without a further ado, let's get started. So the first hairstyle is kind of like a bun. You can do these especially if your ends are looking good and this part is not looking that great. Just divide your hair into 2 sections. I saw some YouTuber doing this hairstyle and that's how I got inspired. So once you do these 2 sections, there's a viewfinder, okay, don't mind. I need to see if I'm in the frame. Take one side, twist it, pin it above. I'm keeping it higher because I want the ends to be seen on top a little bit. You can apply as many pins as required. I think my hair needs 2 per side just to keep it in place. So one side is done. Now for the next side, do the same thing again, and this time while twisting it, just cross it over like this in diagonal. Can you see this? And let your hair fall either in front if you have shorter hair, or you can let it fall behind also if you have longer hair. Since my hair is slightly shorter, I'm just gonna keep it in front. I'm just gonna pin it once again because this is like going all over the place. So I will be putting one more pin just to keep these curls in one place. My ends are not looking the best today. If you're having a nice hair day, like good curl day, then this part looks really nice. I tried it yesterday, it looked much better. Today it's looking little weird and I'm so embarrassed. I don't know if I should cut this hairstyle out of this video. I think I should keep it just to give you idea. I'm definitely looking like a clown. Clown. Did you like it? I'm not liking this. Just wanted to give you one more option. If you have these kind of fancy claw clips, you can also apply it just to make it fancier. I'm not liking this, guys. Should I cut this hairstyle out of this video? Should I? But you can't answer me because I'll have to post this part for you to answer me. I think I'll keep it. I'll wing it, you know. I'll wing it. I tried this hairstyle 3 times right now in front of camera, but it's just not happening. Ignore this hairstyle. If you like it, you can try it out, but you can ignore it. And the title of the video should be 5 hairstyles. Hairstyle number 2 is kind of like a half up, half down. And I'm gonna use a bow because these kind of bows are trending these days. Everyone is using it. I don't know if it will look good on Indian festive wear, but you can try it out. It looks cute regardless. You can put any other clips also instead of the bow. This is from Savannah, by the way. I had got it in PR. ऐसे आता है. You can separate out your bangs if you have them, like some fringes on the side like this, and just take half of your hair, not even half, just 1/4 of your hair, because half will be too much, especially if you have a lot of volume. So once you take this, just have to put this bow. If you want it to be foolproof, you can tie your hair with a hair tie first, and then on top of that you can apply the bow, because sometimes the bow ka quality, like, it's not that firm. So in that case you can definitely do that. This is how it looks like. It looks very cute. These bows look very, very cute. Might not go with Indian wear, but just wanted to show you regardless. Next, move on to the next hairstyle, which is kind of like a ponytail, but not your regular ponytail. So you just have to take this top section like so and just use a hair tie. I'm using a scrunchie here because I don't have normal hair ties. And then just tie it. Okay, this is how it should look like. Okay, for the bottom section, just divide it into 2 parts and wrap it around like this and tie the entire thing again. This just looks more voluminous and it just looks better that way. I left some hair, let me do it again. Take 2 sections like this and wrap it around, then hold the entire thing, just tie it again. This gives much more volume, you know, like it doesn't look like your regular ponytail. It gave so much more volume, as you can see. You can definitely add some cute clips over here if you want it to look even cuter. My scrunchie is looking very basic and old. You can leave out some front pieces also. I forgot to leave them out, and it feels also different. It's not feeling like I have put ponytail, because when I put ponytail, I don't know, it looks like a triangle and it just looks very weird on me. But this is looking really nice. I think this is my most favorite hairstyle, not just for festivals. any time in general. Let's move on to the next hairstyle, you guys. मेरे बाल पूरे frizzy हो रहे हैं, you know, because of these hairstyles. So you can do this hairstyle when your front part has got frizzy but rest of your hair looks good, because it involves leaving most of your hair. I'm just doing a middle part. I always do middle parts, I like it. And I'm just gonna wet this section, this top section, so that the taming frizz and the sleeking it out is easy. I'm just gonna sleek it out a bit, and also gonna apply a little bit of gel so that it remains sleek. You can also use hair waxes, just taming it down basically. And I'm using this brush. It takes even the smallest baby hairs. I like this brush for these sleeking kind of hairstyles. And I'm just gonna put a pin. You can use normal clips also. I'm just using slightly fancy clips since it's festive. These pearl clips, I had got them from AliExpress. You get these kind of clips on Amazon also. Same thing on the other side, just sleeking this part out and applying the pin. So from behind you have your regular hair, and from front you have something different going on. For me personally, I feel this sleeking thing doesn't suit me that much, especially because of this bald spot over here. But if it suits you, then you can try this hairstyle out. This looks very girly, very cute. You can do it on kids also. It will suit kids mostly and young girls. I'm just a girl in the world. For the next hairstyle, we are gonna do a bun. I'm just gonna leave my fringes out, which are wet because I had wet them for the previous hairstyle. I'm just going to put a regular bun. But you know what I'm using to tie? I'm using this gajra from Amazon. This is a fake gajra. It looks very real actually. And it smells also really nice. They have added some scent to it. This is in a scrunchy form. You can just use it like a hair tie. And there you have it. You have a really nice gajra with you. This is perfect for saris and, you know, going for weddings. If you cannot find any gajra nearby, or if you just want something which you can reuse again and again, then definitely do try this out. You can reuse it for all the weddings, all the festivals again and again. And it looks real also. Matlab, no one will be able to tell you it's fake unless they really come close and touch it and all, and unless you tell them. But it looks quite real according to me. One more Amazon find you want to see. It's a hair extension scrunchie. This is very affordable also. So if you're having bad hair days, if you just want to have a bun like this, you can just use it this way. This is not really suiting me because I have got highlights and this is black in color. But if you have black hair, uncolored hair, you can try it out. It looks very real. Quality is also very nice. Like, it doesn't look very plasticky, shiny, how these fake wigs look, which I expected actually because this was very affordable. But it looks nice. It has got a shine, but the shine looks natural. It's not very plasticky, you know, it feels nice and soft. Let me mask my highlights and try to use this. Did it get masked? No, right? But we'll make this work. One more Amazon find which I wanted to show you are these rose pins. This come in a set of 2. I will link all of these things for you. For these kind of hair buns, especially if you're wearing a sari and all, you can put them like so. And it looks very nice. Just ignore these 2 colors going on, but you get the gist, right? You can add 2 roses also if you like, but I think 1 is enough for me. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your favorite hairstyle in the comments down below. Mine has to be this because of the rose. It looks super pretty. And yeah, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every week and I will see you in my next video. Bye. हुआ कोई वहाँ था पहुँच तो गया, लेकिन उसे वो बचा ना सका, रोया था प्यार उसकी माँ।